In a pitch-black room, a single human pupil instantly contracts, then slowly expands, locking onto a fragile ribbon of orange light. Within seconds, something remarkable begins to happen inside your body. Your breathing slows, your shoulders loosen. The anxious chatter in your mind starts to fade. Most of us assume this happens because fire feels cozy, a pleasant backdrop on a cold evening. But the story appears to go much deeper than simple comfort. Long before you had language, your brain had already learned one unforgettable lesson. Where there's fire, there's a chance to survive. That lesson may still live inside you today. Every wild animal carries a threat assessment system that's constantly scanning the environment. For our early ancestors, darkness meant uncertainty. When the sun disappeared, the risk of predators increased, and the brain shifted into a state of heightened alertness. Stress hormones rose, senses sharpened, and every sound in the bushes could mean death. Then, something extraordinary entered the human story: fire. It didn't eliminate danger, but it changed our relationship with the night. Its light pushed back the darkness. Its heat discouraged many predators. For perhaps the first time in our evolutionary history, groups of humans could gather after sunset with a greater sense of security. In 2014, researchers explored how modern humans respond to campfires. Participants who spent time watching a crackling fire showed reductions in blood pressure, with stronger effects when the sound of the fire accompanied the flames. The findings suggested that watching fire can trigger a deeply relaxing response, one that may echo an ancient adaptation rather than simple nostalgia. Think about the paradox. Fire is one of the most destructive forces in nature. It burns forests, consumes homes, and can kill in minutes. Yet, the human mind often interprets the controlled glow of a campfire as a signal that it's finally safe to relax. Perhaps we don't simply look at fire because we feel safe. Perhaps, in part, we feel safe because we're looking at fire. To understand why, we have to consider what fire changed about being human. Before our ancestors learned to control it, nights were short, cold, and dangerous. Life slowed dramatically after sunset. But a controlled fire extended the day. It created a place to gather, share food, tell stories, strengthen social bonds, and perhaps even shape the evolution of language and culture. Cooking transformed food as well. Many anthropologists argue that cooked meals provided calories that were easier to digest, reducing the energy required for digestion, and potentially helping support the evolution of our unusually large brains. Fire didn't create humanity on its own, but it likely became one of the defining technologies that shaped who we became. Over hundreds of thousands of years, humans adapted to this new way of living. We relied increasingly on cooked food, shelter, and warmth. In many ways, we evolved alongside fire rather than simply mastering it. For countless generations, nearly every evening ended the same way. People gathered around dancing flames. No image has occupied the human eye longer than fire. Now, consider the modern world. The physical campfire has largely disappeared from everyday life. Yet every evening, billions of people still gather around another source of light: televisions, smartphones, laptops. Some researchers have suggested that our attraction to glowing screens may echo a much older attraction to gathering around light after sunset. But there is an important difference. A campfire asks almost nothing from your brain. Its movements are unpredictable yet meaningless. Your eyes remain engaged, while your mind is free to wander. A smartphone does the opposite. Its bright light, notifications, headlines, and endless stream of information constantly demand decisions. Swipe, read, judge, respond. Even when you're sitting still, your brain rarely gets the chance to rest. The flame holds your attention without asking for anything in return. The screen captures your attention while constantly asking for more. Perhaps that's one reason. Sitting beside a real fire still feels different. The flickering light doesn't care about your deadlines, your grades, your followers, or tomorrow's problems. It simply burns. For a few quiet moments, the modern world disappears. You're no longer an employee, a student, a consumer, or a profile on a screen. You're simply another human being, sitting at the edge of the darkness, watching light transform wood into ash, just as your ancestors did for thousands of generations. We often say humanity conquered the world because we mastered fire. Maybe the deeper truth is more humbling. Fire didn't just change our world, it changed us. And perhaps that's why no digital screen has ever truly replaced a campfire. One gives us information. The other reminds us that we survived. Somewhere, beneath thousands of years of civilization, your brain still knows the difference.